In April, the US stock market hit the rock bottom. The market was bleeding, investors panicked, chaos gripped the markets. It looked like the beginning of the end. And now the US stocks hit the new high. Stocks jumped by 30%. And that 30% is pure madness. A rebound of this magnitude happened only 4 times. But here's the thing, 1982, this rebound came after the oil embargo and stagflation of the 70s. 1998, 2009, 2020, these rebounds came after massive crashes. And they were fueled by aggressive monetary stimulus. But 2025, I hate this phrase, this time is different. But this time is different. Different in the worst way possible. The US economy is not coming out of a recession. The economy is stagnant. The GDP growth is a joke. There is no monetary stimulus. Interest rates are high. International trade is breaking down. There are unending wars in Middle East and Europe. Why then did the stocks jump by 30%? Madness. Pure madness. Back in April, Trump and his friends kept promising 90 deals in 90 days, a major announcement in 48 hours. A flood of agreements, a tidal wave of agreements. Fast forward to today. A fake deal with Britain, when the US reduced tariffs for Britain and got nothing in return. A very strange deal with Saudi Arabia, when the Saudis exchanged empty promises for the latest US technologies. No deal with India, no deal with China, no deal with Europe. Oh, and my country, Canada, is not the 51st state. By the way, why did Trump stop talking about Canada? We miss that.
I love Canada.
In March, Canada and the US reached an agreement, and Canada did everything Trump wanted. Because we Canadians are a proud nation, we obey Trump. Wherever he says, we do.
Prime Minister Carney in Canada caved to President Trump in the United States of America.
But a few days ago, Trump broke the agreement and slapped new tariffs on Canada. The same with Mexico. In March, the US and Mexico reached a deal, and Mexico did everything Trump wanted. And again, a few days ago, Trump broke the agreement and slapped new tariffs. Trump's message is clear: don't trust the US. When will Canada learn that?
Takes 2 to tango, right?
But thanks God, Trump writes a lot of letters.
Notifications and letters directly from the President of the United States.
Trump is a letter writer. No trade deals, but lots of letters. Donald Trump doubles down on insanity. As I record this video, he's slapping new tariffs on copper, steel, aluminum, Canada, Mexico, BRICS. And make no mistake, Donald Trump is raising taxes on American consumers. How dare they buy stuff? And he's punishing the US manufacturing. How dare companies buy steel and copper to produce anything? Donald Trump is destroying the US consumption and manufacturing, and the US stock market loves it. The US stocks jumped by 30%. 30%. That's $15 trillion in market cap. $15 trillion out of thin air. This is the most irrational and dumbest rally in US history. But don't take my word for it. Don't trust me. Don't trust Trump. Trust the data. Look at the financial indicators. The Buffett indicator, that's market cap relative to the GDP. Right now it stands above 200%. And the last time it was this high was during the dot-com bubble, the year 2000. Back then it was even less than today, so right now the Buffett indicator is at all-time high. Another indicator, the PE ratio. The historical average is 15. It's a normal level. Right now it's between 27 and 30. And again, the last time this indicator was this high was during the dot-com bubble. And sooner or later this US stock market bubble will burst. One day you will wake up to the new data, and the new data will show that the US economy is in a recession. And high inflation is back. That day we'll realize that Donald Trump is all talk, no action and no result. And that day the US stock market will plunge. Get ready for a financial Armageddon fueled by all-time high public debt and Trump's tariffs. That was my quick take on the US stock market. Do you agree with me? Do you agree that this US stock market rally is pure madness? Are you optimistic about the future? Do you trust the president? Put your answers below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.